Welcome to AI Medical School, your go-to source for all things health and medicine. In today's video, we'll be discussing Duphalac Syrup, a medication used to treat constipation. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative medical content. Duphalac syrup is a type of laxative that works by increasing the amount of water in the stool, making it easier to pass. It contains the active ingredient lactulose, which is a synthetic sugar that can't be absorbed by the body. Instead, it acts as a food source for the beneficial bacteria in the large intestine, which helps to stimulate bowel movements. Duphalac syrup is used to treat constipation, especially in cases where other laxatives haven't been effective. It's also used to treat certain liver and gut conditions, such as hepatic encephalopathy and portal systemic encephalopathy. The recommended dosage for Duphalac syrup is 15-45 ml per day, taken in the morning and evening. The exact dosage will depend on the individual's needs and should be determined by a doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that Duphalac syrup can cause some side effects, such as bloating, flatulence, and stomach cramps. These side effects are usually mild and go away after a few days. In rare cases, more serious side effects may occur, such as diarrhea or dehydration, so it's important to contact a doctor if you experience any severe symptoms. Duphalac syrup should not be used by people with certain medical conditions, such as galactosemia, lactase deficiency, or fructose intolerance. It's also not recommended for people who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Conclusion: Duphalac syrup is a medication used to treat constipation in certain liver and gut conditions. It works by increasing the amount of water in the stool and should be used under the guidance of a doctor or pharmacist. Like with any medication, it is important to be aware of the potential side effects and to contact a doctor if you experience any severe symptoms. Thank you for watching this video on Duphalac syrup. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative medical content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, stay healthy and informed with AI Medical School.